Okay, determine number 5. Determine after how many additional minutes will the two companies cost the same. Okay, right here we have 22 monthly plus 20 cents for each additional minute. This is our starting amount of money, and this is what our money grows by. So we're going to use GX plus S. So our equation would be 0.2x plus 22 equals, because we want them to cost the same, this would be our starting amount, this would be our growing amount. So we would have 0.13 x plus 25, wouldn't we? This is really 0.20. Let me put it 2. Okay, so the next step is to move our smallest x. 13 cents is smaller, so I'm going to take the 13 cents and move it across. So we're going to get 0.07x. So it's 7 cents more on this plan, isn't it? Plus 22 equals to 25, but this plan costs more, right? So we're going to move this over. So we'll get 0.07x equals to 3. So how many 7 cents will go into $3, right? So we're going to divide by 0.07. And I don't have a calculator with me, so I'm going to divide into 3. You're going to move the decimal twice. So 7 into 300 is 4, 28, 20, and it's going to go 2 times with a remainder of 6. Determine after how many additional minutes will it cost the same. So 42 and 6/7 minutes, right? Okay, so roughly between 42 and 43 minutes, they're going to cost the same amount of money. And let's go ahead and do number 6. Austin cleans 20 to 25 stalls at the fairground every day. He's paid $40, that's his starting amount, plus an additional $8 per stall, that's his growing amount. Write an inequality to estimate the money he can make in a day. So he's going to clean between 20 and 25 stalls, right? This will be the least amount he can make. This will be the most amount he can make. So let's find the least amount. So the least amount, you're going to use GX plus S. And that's going to be what? 8x plus 40, right? So we're going to make that x 20 and we're going to make it 25, aren't we? So I'm going to write down 8x plus 40 and I'm going to replace it with the least amount of stalls he can make, which is 20, right? So 8 times 20 is 160 plus 40 is $200. So that's the least amount he can make. The most he can make is 8x plus 40, and we're going to plug in 25, right? So 8 times 25 is 200, and then 200 plus 40 is 240. So he's going to make between $200 and $240, and the way you write that is x, and you put your inequalities going to the left. So this represents that he's going to make between more than 200 and less than 240. This is how you write a number is between two numbers. A number is between two numbers. So this is how you write a number is between 200 and 240. Whatever your numbers are, this is the representation of that.